I know, right? There's no money in this biz.
Smile and give a thumbs up.
Blacksmith shop at Touchstone.
Yeah, I know a couple folks.
Oh,
Who are you going to interview?
well,
Not me.
probably him.
Hi, welcome to the Blacksmith Shop.
So, what have you got going on here?
So we have a class. This is a bunch of teachers who are learning how to be better blacksmithing teachers. So everybody here is a good blacksmith, and they're all working together to get even better at what they do.
I see.
Rusty, what are you working on over here?
Rusty. Oh,
I'm working on a drift.
hello.
So this drift, along with
Oh,
this punch, are the things that you use to make a 1-inch hole through a 1-inch bar.
whoa.
So that's a big difference between blacksmithing and welding. Welders can't put a 1-inch hole in a 1-inch bar,
Yeah,
but a blacksmith can. And the way that we do it,
We
punch a
landed.
hole, and then we shape that hole.
Uh-huh.
That's still hot.
Neat indeed.
Not burning enough.
Alright. Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's like he's smiling.
Excuse me. Would you mind telling me what you're doing?
I'm filing the end of the punch down. It has to be fairly narrow this way and rounded edges, and that's what I'm working on.
I see.
You think you got enough?
Yeah.